Hi, I'm your friend. This is After Effects, and I'll show you how to paint in After Effects by using pen tool. Okay, so for example I have some video and I want to add some logo here, but I'm very bad in drawing, in painting, so I will copy. I'm going to File and find some nice picture like that, and I want to add this house, for example, to my picture. So I am just putting this picture on the timeline over my video. Okay, so and let's draw. I am adding new shape layer, and now I will be drawing here. So I am choosing pen tool, and let's choose the color with the feeling of our future picture. Let it be, for example, pink. Okay, and let's start. So I am just adding, like, left click of my mouse, adding a lot of dots, more better, and getting such a nice house. Let it be like this, for example. Okay, we're done. And then when you will remove our picture, do it invisible, you have just your new house. And now let me go to transform, scale. Don't forget to choose selection tool, and position, let's put it here. I think it's done. That's it. Thank you. Bye.